Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the last part of my videos about Russian linking words. My name is Lina and I am your Russian teacher. I dedicate this channel and my life at the moment to helping people learn Russian. If you want me to be your teacher, subscribe to this channel, like this video and leave a comment to support my channel. Today we're gonna discuss 3 more groups. It's going to be addition, example confirmation, and summing up. In general, we're gonna learn 30 words. And let's begin. If you missed the previous 2 parts of these videos with linking words, you can watch it right here, or I will leave the links for those 2 videos in the description of this video. And if you watched already the previous 2 parts and now you want to practice a little bit more and to learn those linking words much better, I can help you with that. If you join my Patreon, it will give you access to the interactive platform where I create a lot of activities for you to learn Russian. And there you will find not only the exercises for those 2 videos about the linking words, but also for other grammar videos from my channel. Also, you will get a chance to practice your listening comprehension there, because I create there a lot of exercises based on Russian songs and Russian videos. I take some conversations from movies or Russian TV shows, and like this you can practice your listening comprehension and learn new words. The biggest problem for everyone who learn Russian is to understand natives, and my exercises there can help you with that problem. The more you watch, the more you practice, the better you can understand Russian native speakers. Despite the fact that that's the last part of the video, that's probably the easiest one, because this time the groups don't really consist of some advanced words. Most of them are very common in use in daily life conversations, so it's not going to be that complicated as before. Plus, all the examples that I've made for all those words, they're also a little bit easier. So don't worry that it's going to be too complicated. Even if you're a beginner, this video will be helpful for you. So let's begin with the first group that we have, that's addition. Here let's look at 10 linking words. Half of them I'm sure you know already, but half of them will be new for you. Again, let's look together at these words and let's read them together. You can repeat after me. И, тоже, также, снова, опять, опять же, кроме того, к тому же, заодно, наряду с, более того. You see, they're not so complicated. So let's look at the examples that I've created to help you understand how we're going to use these words and what cases, what constructions we can take with those words. Я купил хлеб и молоко. Мой друг учит португальский, и я тоже учу португальский. Она учит английский. Также она занимается испанским. Он снова опоздал на работу. Мы можем пойти в парк, опять же, если погода будет хорошей. Она отлично готовит, кроме того, хорошо поет. Он умный, к тому же очень трудолюбивый. Убери в комнате, заодно вынеси мусор. Наряду с учебой он занимается спортом. Мы успели все сделать, более того, осталось время на отдых. That was it for the addition, and now the second group. Let's take example and confirmation. Here we're gonna have 9 words. Again, let's read them together and let's pronounce them. Например, в этом случае, в другом случае, в данной ситуации, на мой взгляд, по моему мнению, по-моему, такой как, с моей точки зрения. Here you've seen a lot of synonyms, so you can choose the ones you like more. And let's look at the examples again that I've created with all those 9 words. Многие страны, например, Франция и Италия, славятся своей кухней. В этом случае лучше действовать осторожно. В другом случае результат мог бы быть иным. В данной ситуации нам нужно действовать быстро. На мой взгляд, это не самая удачная идея. По моему мнению, этот фильм стоит посмотреть. По-моему, он слишком торопится. Такой человек, как ты, должен быть счастлив. С моей точки зрения, это было необдуманное решение. And the last group, summing up. It's logical that we're ending the third part of these videos with this group. So let's look at the 11 words that I have for you here. В целом, в итоге, вообще, подводя итог, таким образом, как результат, в результате, получается, вкратце, в заключение, итак. And now let's look at the example sentences that I've created for those words. В целом, я согласен с твоим мнением. Мы долго спорили, но в итоге нашли компромисс. Вообще, это не самая плохая идея. Подводя итог, встреча прошла продуктивно. Мы подготовили все необходимое, таким образом, можем начинать. Он много тренировался и, как результат, выиграл соревнования. Мы опоздали на поезд, и в результате пришлось ждать следующего. Получается, что мы зря потратили время. Вкратце, все прошло хорошо. В заключение хочу поблагодарить всех за участие. Итак, подведем итоги нашего обсуждения. And that's it. Now you can learn these phrases and these words and wait till I create the exercises for these phrases on the interactive platform at Vibe, and you'll be able to practice them there. Thank you very much for watching, subscribe to my channel and learn Russian with me.